Bingo day, nakubanga nzambe nangai, hallelujah. You it's your boy Tongai, Obert, Moyo, aka manual machine system ya force. Iwa kumane pa kwake, kumane itaka express 4x4. Ndikote zego kwezi. Thank you very much. Thing ni dino bila pana no bila kuma shule na lena didemu achifoma Barura Express. Akamshanda ne Barura Express. Baba wangu bileti Tongai Moyo vakazotora kubva papo vachiridzawo saka zvinhu zvakakura zviri matiri zvekuridza zvemusic zvinhu zvakakura zvichiunza chingwa patafura zvichiunza chikafu tichipfeka tichiita sei so nekufamba kwenguva takazoitawo interest ndopa takazofungawo zvekutanga kutsikisa damba refu. Thank you very much. Actually it's an album inonzi Shumba dzemuAfrica rine 6 tracks. So by 6 tracks to visa 2 tracks for the meantime to push up because of finances to send the 4%, but we are releasing album before album as time goes on. So what happens when this album is it has 6 characters, it has 6 songs. Each song has a character, you know, I mean imitating a character. So the first track to release is Ngano. Ngano, I'm simply saying for instance, someone yourself, Ndirikuroyiwa, understand my difficulties, my spiritual difficulties, my spiritual challenges. Physical wise, you're okay, you know, you're strong, but spiritually now, you have attackers, spiritually now, you have. So nobody really chiti, Ndirikuroyiwa, Ndirikushonga, Zvakawanda zvinoitika spiritual life, you know, spirit of delay. You know, the devil has so many plans and tactics. You might use the spirit of delay, you might use the spirit of local, you know, witchcraft. So on this track I'm just saying someone who had everything, but due to friends, due to who were jealous, due to workmates who didn't want him up there, they use ways, physical ways, spiritual ways, get you down. So it's a character. This song I take it as a parable. You know, it has a story of heaven meaning. Marinda and Buenazo, Mota and Buenazo, you know, someone who is depressed because of the situations. Then track number 2, it's Kunditsoma. This is a character made by friends. Then the other friend is starting just to kuchiwa kwakana, but now can work with a level kuti kuchiwa kwako that you want to become that person. That's the problem now. Yes, you should just admire from afar, not wanting to become that person. So that is what I'm saying. The second verse, it's your friend, it's not your enemy, it's your friend who knows your secrets, so it is likely to destroy you faster than your enemy. So these are the characters that I was just trying to come out later this song. So among the 4 songs, as time goes on, if you allow me, I'll come back time again, share more interviews, explaining how the songs are going to come out. It's not about just writing the songs, you know, the way I do when I'm composing. I take for myself as characters, the songs, the characters. Day-to-day characters, friends, family, businesses, food, everything that you do. It's comprising this. So at the end of the day, we need to produce good music, quality music, music with sense, music with meaning. You know, Makome Production is a good producer. One of the tracks. Then the other one, ZBC Studios, KOM Studios. And that means they are also top quality producers. So I think all in all, this year we're going to hit the right chords. With the grace of God, we have more promoters coming in day by day. New promoters as well as veteran promoters have been in the industry. And as well as some of my father's friends, they are also assisting us a lot. Namely, just to mention a few, the likes of Munya Goldfinger, Too Much Power has been assisting us with studios, even with live shows. He's someone who you can contact him when you're in the show. So we have Boss Musia. These people are just, they are God sent. We have in Britain, so we go as far as Britain. They Oskumbo, Eva Mzuri, Boston, US. And also we have Kosiros in Kadoma, local joint printers. They're also helping. Kusangana, I'm based right now. I'm grateful because they managed to gain me accommodation. So currently I'm based in Metaphors. So these people, they've been assisting in many ways. So just to see, some they've been assisting through shows. They've been giving me shows like Easter holidays. We had shows at Mount Renushinga. I know it's Bamena. So these are some of the promoters. Some they promote with money, some they promote with adverts, some they promote with resources, some they promote with, Ashuma Zema Africa, Obam, Tinema, veteran guitarist. They were just like, I'm going to also one. I don't need any money from you. I'm going to so every of the day you just see with Kubata Wamari. Even with the promoters, some of them they tend to gain nothing out of this. And but for the sake of it, the Munyabu film for Tongai Junior Park, I need to see it shows love. So every day I'm just grateful to those people. I just wish them luck. Also, there are musicians who have been assisting. Like Father Alec Macheso is my mentor. Every time I do a project, also Suleiman Chimbetu, we communicate. Martin Wazi is there also. My brother Peter Moyo, we communicate also, giving me ideas. We need to press this button into president. Was is the one who has been in the industry for a long time now, according to my own side. So there are musicians who have been helping us a lot, and I'm grateful for their support. Japraiser, I appreciate everyone. There's something behind music. There's life behind music. So trying to run word in the understand what did you mean by the time when I was still young. So now Nakura, now I can be able to see more. My guitar is not but somehow I'm talented in building. Somehow I'm talented in managing. So currently I'm managing Bawara, Boschanga, and I got Waterfalls. It's a nightclub. So I manage that for it's my day-to-day job. It's my day-to-day job. So I manage the bar. Then weekends when we have shows, my shows, or sometimes I come and play in bar Momo. So that's how I live in. Before I managed a bar, I was a professional builder. I could be able to build houses. Something that I learned from school. Actually, from school, actually, I didn't tell you this, but I did well in my wonderful, language. So I managed to get some qualifications. Managed to get some assistance from the corporate world. So I ventured into building. I started a small construction company. It runs Waterfalls. Now I'm managing this nightclub. Then after, I'm a musician. So I consider myself to be a full-time musician. Then there's a local musician who is a plumber by profession. We meet most of the time. He's a well-known, he's a famous musician, a big-name musician. He's a plumber. Sometimes I go nae mabasaki just nichimungu mwana how is he doing. He told me once I faced criticism from people telling me, doing plumbing, plumbing, you deal with some wonderful stuff. So he was like, I do this, but then I get criticism. Then he actually gave me the motivation to start doing things for my own. I was one such person who was shy to do things. I was shy to do this. So this person gave me motivation. You need to be open to do this. Japraiser, for example, has told me you need to be proud of what you do. So every day I'm just proud of what I do. And to the local musician, to the other musicians out there who say I can't do it, you need to try to do it. You need to try to make yourself busy, keep yourself busy. Because how you see, we go to shows Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you go free. So you need to keep yourself busy. If you don't keep yourself busy within that time frame, you end up doing drugs. you end up killing your career with many things, not just drugs, but many ways of killing your career by just sitting down and not doing anything. There is a term or an umbrella term that says music is not a competition. You know that one? Music is not a competition, it's a mission. That one is just in general talk, but honestly there's competition. There's raw competition. You know, like if you don't produce produce good quality music, if you are not up to your standards, if you don't up your game, the game is very fast nowadays. It's a fast game. We have new musicians, new producers, new guitarists. Everything is going at a fast pace. So you need to be able to be a fast pace also. So the competition is there. My competition, I won't say it's less, I'll be lying. It's more. Even on inside, I feel the pressure, I feel the way it will go. My shows, you see, I know this artist is working more than me. The reception you got. And yes, you'll be working. You need to do the same. That is why we have the producers, we have the radio stations, we have you guys also to push us, you know. So at the end of the day, you need to push your brand. The competition is there. You cannot eliminate the competition. You just need to put yourself ahead of the competition. It's actually a tight question because like we were still under damage control. So you know, when uchikura unenge une my expectations unenge kune vanhu expectations of now, even in marriage, expect God to do this for you. Zvikasafamba neipapo, you cry foul. Why must I do that? That was the main issue. And that's sort of misunderstanding. I had expectations. I complained. Some said, Fura, why you know, don't go on social media. I took the advices, I hindered the advices, saw him, talked to him, told him what was going on, what I needed to get out of my chest by that time, and how we were going to resolve it. So, fortunately, we managed to resolve the issues, we managed to talk. We were supposed to have a collaboration together on this album. But it seems like I had this year is also releasing, so we've just decided to hold the collaboration until next year when one is releasing and the other is not releasing. This year I think we're both releasing. So this year I think it will be more of their own music. Mine is I had Peter Snogo uses their own music. Me I use Samanyama sounds. So it's going to be a lot of Samanyama sounds, different music. Sound.